How do I know when an angle is a supplementary angle or a complementary angle? Becca, could you take care of that for us?
That's a good question. Those two words sound so similar, and so because of that, it's really easy to get those two things mixed up. But I'm going to draw on my screen. I'm going to show you pictures of what they actually are. One kind of easy for me to draw right away, just because of this fancy tool, is a complementary angle. A complementary angle, or complementary angles, sorry. Hang on, I'm having trouble here. Let me try this one more time. I'm going to try down here. All right. So complementary angles, the idea with them is that they add up to equal 90 degrees. So the angles that I am currently drawing right now, these two are considered complementary angles. And I'm going to estimate on their measurement. Let's say this is, we have an angle that's having issues with my computer. Let's say I have an angle that's 20 degrees. Then the other angle, if these two are complementary angles, is 70 degrees because they add up to equal 90 degrees. So let me write that on here. So complementary is 90 degrees. I'm really having issues here. Complementary is, they add up to equal 90 degrees. And 90 degrees is important because it's a right angle, and those are really important angles. The other one is supplementary, and those two angles will add up to equal 180 degrees. So here's an example of supplementary angles. Let's say this angle was 120 degrees, then the other angle has to be 60 degrees. And again, that's called supplementary. I don't really have a great way to remember the difference between the two, but they are different. Now, a lot of times these problems, they will do something like this. They will say this one angle is 60 degrees, the other is unknown, but they are supplementary angles. That word supplementary automatically means that they are going to add up to equal 180 degrees, whereas that complementary is 90 degrees. It kind of helps you find out missing angles. That's really the importance of them. But yep, that's the difference between the two types, and hopefully that helped answer the question. If you have anything else or anything specific about what you're trying to figure out with those, let me know and I can answer that in more depth.
And just considering the words, you know, to complement something means to, you know, kind of go with it and add to it, whereas supplementary means, well, I guess supplementary means to supplement or add, but complementary means like go together.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
I was wondering if there was any kind of language thing. There usually is with math. A lot of times you can break down the root words and figure out what kind of thing they're asking to do or how these things are related to each other. So
Definitely.
Yeah. Awesome.